I am still in Houston, Texas. I'm lucky enough to have a friend here who takes me in after a conference like the National Association of Realtors. It was a great conference this year with a heavy emphasis on AI and artificial intelligence. Last year, there was conversations about how do we use this, how's it working, learning about it, and now it seems like everybody was talking about how they were using it in different ways. Everything from, I'm a little scared of how this works, to I've got chat bots and I'm automating everything. And I think that sometimes it gets like that overwhelm. When you get to that overwhelmed space, it often feels frozen. I said it's like walking into Home Depot when you just need a hammer. And I think for me, how I look at AI and how to use it and how we use it to make good decisions is kind of like the computer on Star Trek. You notice nobody on Star Trek is ever doing paperwork. They're actually making decisions. They're using the artificial intelligence to get them information, to help get feedback, to help be creative and think outside the box. And so I think it's an opportunity to lean into what is happening with artificial intelligence and see what works for you. You can even start with a large language model out there and just ask it, what are the first couple questions that I need to be asking you for my business? And it will tell you. And have it ask you questions so it starts to learn about you and what makes you special. Real estate is a hyper-local business. What technology is designed to do is to get you belly to belly, to get those coffee meetings, to get those holiday parties, to get in front of those people because you are the expert. So ask the computer on Star Trek. You got your flip phone because of Star Trek. Why not learn how to use AI from Star Trek? Make it a great day.